In this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix the error content.text not found in bundle. So this is a Swift program, and here I was developing on program, and somehow I had this file, okay, but it is unable to read. So let's see how we can fix this thing. I tried different ways. From here, basically from the sidebar, I checked whether this is there or not. Sentence presenter Mac. So basically this application is there, it is linked properly, okay, and if I double click, we see that it's also checked, but still it's not fixing. So here is the easy catch or fix. So at first we need to click on the project, main project. So this is the main project, and there is a icon something like that. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will be opened. On the left side we'll see different types of targets are there. So I'm going to choose the main application target. So this is the main, like, sentence presenter Mac, sentence presenter Mac. So this is the target. We just need to click here, and then we have to choose build phases from here. Once we choose build phases, then we have to come this section, copy bundle resources. So here there is no file, basically that's the main reason it is not able to link. So what I'm going to do, I have to click plus, and then from here I'm going to choose content.text, and then I'm going to add it. Now it will be add. Now if we try to build this thing, we'll see that this error message will be gone. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly we'll see that error message gone, and the application is running fine. And that's it. In this way we can easily fix the error content.text not found in bundle, something like that, where content.text is the file name of like text file or something like that.